Hello, I'm Tylah Tully. Today I'm joined by Waratah Minerals Managing Director Peter Duerden. Peter, can you start by giving us a brief overview of the company and your key projects?
Sure thing. Thanks, Tyler. At Waratah Minerals, we're actively exploring at the Spur project next door to Cadia Valley, gold copper operations, Newmont's operation. We're seeing a discovery emerging there, a significant amount of epithermal gold with some upside with some porphyry targets that we're drilling as well. So we're very focused on sort of testing an idea where we're seeing a large epithermal gold system connected to a porphyry at the Spur project.
And you've just mobilised a third rig to the Spur Gold Copper project. What do you have planned there, and I guess what potential do you see at the project?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, today we mobilised the third rig and the second diamond rig. So we sort of got a dual focus on the project. As I said, a large epithermal gold field. We've got two rigs based and working there in the Spur Gold Corridor. And this third rig, the second diamond rig, is heading straight back to the Breccia West area where we recently released some pretty encouraging porphyry results. That will continue the work there, putting some pretty interesting holes into a shallow porphyry target.
And you also completed an $8.4 million capital raise too. Can you talk us through the details of this placement and what the funds will be used for?
Yeah, sure. Very strongly supported, institutionally backed raise, the strongest we've ever done, and really puts us in a great position of strength to do a lot of drilling at a time when the technical team on the ground's really starting to get its eye in terms of the structural controls on high-grade gold zones and seeing the relationship as well with porphyry or porphyries that are associated with it. So yeah, great time to be cashed up. Coincides with the position of our knowledge build.
So what can we expect from Waratah in the coming months?
A lot of news flow, increasing news flow than you might have seen previously. That's just the natural progression as we're getting more and more confidence. We've now got the third rig, so you'll see a natural increase in news flow. And we haven't changed our story for over 12 months. We really believe in what we're doing. We think there's a significant amount of gold, copper at the Spur project.
Exciting times ahead for the company. Thanks for joining us, Peter.
Thanks a lot, Tyler.